3 over 9 times 9 by 9 1 by 9 1 3 times 1, okay, then which equals to 3. Then 27 divided by 3 which equals to 9, okay, but this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, if there is division and multiplication, they have equal priority. We have to work from left to right, okay. Therefore here is one division and one multiplication. Therefore according to this rule, we have to do this division first. Therefore according to the case F rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Therefore we have to keep the first number, which is 27, and we change the operation division into multiplication and flip the second fraction, 9 over 3. Flip this one, okay, times 9. So in this case, by 3 1, by 3 9. Then 9 times 9, which is 81 times 9, okay. Then 81 times 9 means 9 times 1, which is 9. 9 times 8, which is 72. Then 729 is the final answer of this problem, okay. The correct answer of this problem is 729.